Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an online store on WIX. Let's get started. First, log into your WIX account, then click Create New Site on the top right corner here. This action will bring us to a new tab and you can choose here if you want to create your website with the help of AI or not. Next, Wix will ask you what type of website do you want to create. So let's click on Online Store here and then continue. You can choose to skip these questions because you can just customize your online store later on. Next, select the Design Site button on the top right corner and you can once again choose whether you want to design your website using AI or browse through templates made available to you by Wix. And I'm going to choose Pick a Template. So as you can see, we have a lot of templates to choose from. So let's just choose a random one for our example. Next, let's start setting up your store by editing your products. So let's look for the product section, which is right here. And then let's click on Manage Products right here. This will open a tab where you can easily edit each product. And this is also where you can add a new product by clicking on New Product on the top right corner. Next, you have to choose whether you will be selling a physical or a digital product. And then you just have to put in the necessary information like name of the product, images or videos of the product, its price, basic information about the product, and so on. And then once you're done, just click on the Save button right here. Alright, so next, on each product, you can click on this small box right here where you can choose to export your product, hide it, or show it in your online store. You can also choose to delete this product and other actions like changing the price, setting a sale price, changing the cost of goods, and so on. Next, on here, you can also choose to promote your product, you can choose to hide it or edit it. Clicking on the Edit Product button allows you to add images or videos of your product. You can also add it to categories where it belongs to. You can edit the product info, edit its price, and more. Next, on the left panel right here, you can click on Sales, where you can find your orders, your gift card sales, payments you received from your customers, and the analytics. And then next, you can also set up your payment methods by clicking on Getting Paid right here. You can connect and set up your payment methods here like PayPal. You can also add pay links, send invoices, price codes, and so on. Next, let's set up your shipping and delivery by scrolling down here on the left panel again and click on Settings, then scroll down again and select Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. From here, you can edit your rates, you can add regions where you plan to ship, and so on. And once you're done setting up your online store, let's click on Publish right here on the top right corner so your site can go live. And then next, let's click on View Site so you can see your online store. And now you're done. You have successfully created your online store on Wix. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.